Ka jingjia bthei bom Police Bazar bar ka jingioh Kam Lehnoh Khynnah ubadang hapoh ka khat pras snem kerta ubala Kambo de area commander joka seng HNLC na RiKhasi district kala pynkyndit ka sorkar namar kane ka Tnad social welfare joka sorkar jylla kala shim karai ban Pynlong ka jingwad Bniah Daw Kiba Pynlong ki Khynnah samla ban Rung Sha Kam Lehnoh Habai kren bikla bthei khubor umentri ka Tnad social welfare uba kermen shula ulong baling ba kane ka jingwad Bniah on ye kren bar ki Khynnah halor ke ka baja ka jong ki bar ke ka Pynlong ye ki ban perkhat ye kum kini ki jat kam
It's our duty to find out that, and then we try to make sure also that our youth are not left behind, especially our children, those who are underage. We really want to take good care of them. That's why we used to have this kind of awareness that this is right, this is wrong. So at the end, what makes them join or what makes them take steps which will bring a shame to our society, I really don't know, but we need to know exactly. I believe that when it comes to this what had happened in Police Bazar with those children, so I believe that with the investigation of the police, so they will reveal the truth what have been going through in their life, and then we maybe through that we will have a link, and then if it is possible from our side, the department, we will check what step needs to be done so that in future our children will not be a trap of that.
Lengba ka jia kren bar ki Khynnah kane ka jingwad Bniah kan wad ru ki lat ki lenti ban pelaj ki samla na kane ka kam ka ba penjat ki jingim bar ka lawai jong ki
After the interaction with those children, what exactly is going in their life, then maybe we will have some kind of solution, and then we will find a solution. But at least we need to know what exactly is going on that they have to take such a big step.